Yo traders, what's good? If you're new, then welcome to the channel. If you've already subbed up, then I want to say a super thanks. Like, I always salute you and you know this, but yeah, I just really want to say thank you because, you know, you've got this channel popping way quicker than I could have imagined, so thanks. But let's get straight onto the charts and let's see if I can give you anything to take away from today's trading session, because I literally just want to teach people what I know and keep it 100 always. So we're not always going to get winning days. And I explained to someone earlier on in the comments, you need to understand how to lose. You need to become a good loser. And I know that sounds crazy, but none of us like losing. At the beginning, we get that sick feeling that, I've lost. It's just a human emotion. It's normal. Do you know what I'm saying? So don't worry about losing. Become a robot. Become a machine. Fuck that emotion. Get rid of it. Losing is normal. And if you can't handle losing, you ain't going to be a good trader. And that's the end of it. You just need to suck it up, buttercup. Roll with those punches, because losing's so normal now. It's such a normal thing. Honest to God, I promise you, you'll be okay. Just start learning how to lose better. But enough of me ranting and talking shit. Let's get straight into it. So I'm on a 1 minute time frame. This is micro NASDAQ. A lot of people ask me, how do I decide between NAS and US 30? So this is how I decide. Which one looks cleaner? Well, that's US 30 on a 1 minute time frame. This is what it looks like on a 5. You just seen micro NASDAQ. I think I know which one looks cleaner to me. NAS looks way cleaner. If I go to the 1 minute time frame, I got little areas that I can see, you know, if it gets broken, I'm willing to enter. So there's my first one. And right now I can't really place one above. So we'll just keep this there. Then we go to the 5 minute and I have to understand, right, we've been pushing for ages. So do I just expect it to carry on up? No, I expect a pullback at some point. So yeah, I'm keeping in mind that we need a pullback. So I'm not going to be too trigger happy with my buy finger today. I'm going to be more leaning towards sells just for that pullback that I'm talking about. Even if it's a little one, it's still going to pull back at some point. So basically, I just use this white line, move it up. Every single time there's a little bit of structure made. And I'm just looking for the break. That's literally it. I always look the overall direction. But like I said, price has been going up for ages and does need a pullback. So I'd really have to look on the 1 hour time frame now, probably, just to see my key areas of like support and resistance. But I still take them into consideration, of course. So you can see that this is an area that's constantly being tested, bounced from, rejected. I always explain as well, I draw pretty big boxes compared to a lot of other people. Like boom, comes down, bounces from it, bounces from it. Fuck, I don't know what kind of line that is, my bad. But you get the picture, right? NASDAQ is one of them pairs that can actually just keep going and going and going if it wants to. Like, look at this. That's fucking crazy work, that. If anyone was just going on that, when was that? 7 o'clock at night for me. So it was probably a news event. I'm pretty sure that would have been a news event. But imagine just catching it with a tight stop loss and it just kept going. So yeah, shit happens. The shit's real. That's what we're trying to get. But actually, we don't try and get those trades. They just come when you ain't even trying to get them. You just literally need to stick to the plan. Try and get into your normal 1 to 2s and 1 to 3 trades, and they work out like that. When it goes in your favor super fast, then you can move your stop loss and then trail it and stuff. So we don't actually try and catch those ones because, you know, like I said, it was 7 o'clock at night. It must have been news that did that. And right now, like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, we're approaching some sort of area. Like pull it across on the 4 hour. Looks even cleaner. Oh, that looks cleaner to me. Yeah, for now. So like I said, this is the whole area that I'm expecting it to react from. I don't use it as a level. So then I'll go scale down to my 1 minute and use my little lines for my breakout levels. And someone asked me earlier on, do I trade consolidation or only trends? Well, it depends if it's consolidating on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, 15 minute, you know. If it's in consolidation on a 1 hour time frame, then yeah, I'll go to a 1 minute time frame and look for a trend within that consolidation. It's fine. But if it's consolidating on a 1 minute to the 5 minute time frame, then there's no point trading it. Like this was consolidation. If I go to the 1 minute, it was probably really, really limited opportunities in there. Yeah, there's no point trying to trade none of that. So I am expecting a pullback on a 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame. But we just got to wait and see. Price is really sketchy on the 1 minute time frame as well, more than the 5. The 5 minutes, the cleanest time frame to trade on when you're scalping, I believe, the 5 and the 15 minute. But I'm just used to how sketchy the 1 minute time frame moves anyway. So right, so it's New York Open. I'm going to go in with 5 contracts today, micro contracts to start with. It is breaking, so I'm just going to enter.
Order
Wow.
filled.
Didn't end very strong, that candle, I'm not going to lie. I like to see it end a little bit stronger than that. I do like how price rejected this whole area though, as I was explaining. On the 4 hour and the 1 hour is a big key area of like support and resistance. I'm just right now looking for somewhere to put my stop loss to break even. So let me get my little ruler. So at least halfway down. When it's like pretty much a 1-to-1. Right, so I'm at break even. That's what the 15 minutes is looking like. 5-minute candle looking like it's going to end strong. Wow. What the fuck? How did that not stop me in it? Probably still am going to get stopped out, but still. It happens to me all the time. What the fuck? Any Forex broker, you'd be stopped. Like, come on. It's like a pip. That is literally like a pip from being stopped. That's why I love futures. Insane. Absolutely insane. Blows my mind like every time. I never get used to that. That's the one part that I never get used to. The fucking spreads, bro. Like, none. But yeah, it's probably still going to come up and stop me out. Still though, it did break beautifully. And a lot of people probably could have closed out with a nice profit there. But I explain, you know, in the long run, how many times can you actually do that? And how many times will it actually work? You need a win rate. You need a ratio that you kind of stick to, like 1-2s, 1-3s. Fuck me. That looking at that blows my mind though. Like, look at it. It looks like you literally touched it. This is futures for you, man. Or at least top step X anyway. I remember when I first started trading it, I thought I found a hack. I thought I found a fucking hack. Because the amount of times I come close to being wicked out like that, and I just know I'm at break even, so it doesn't phase me. And then price does this crazy stuff. So we're at like almost 500 now. Probably going to trail my stop loss and be really aggressive with it. I'm willing to just take 4. This is what you call aggressive trailing. Trailing it aggressive. I'm at 450, 460. So I'm at 500.
Order filled.
I think that was 500. 478. Fucking 478. That was so close to the 5.